learn English through stories. Welcome, everyone. Today, I want you to pause for a moment. Stop whatever you are doing. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Because this is not just a story. This is a guide to learning English. There was a girl named Shwetha. Shwetha always wanted to speak English confidently. She saw others speaking fluently in school, in videos, in interviews, and she thought, one day I will speak like them. But there was a problem. She understood English a little, but she couldn't speak. When she tried, words didn't come. Her sentences broke, her confidence dropped, and slowly she stopped trying. One day, her teacher asked her to speak in English. Shwetha stood up. She tried to say something, but she got stuck. Her classmates looked at her. Some smiled, some whispered. She felt nervous, embarrassed. That day, she decided, English is not for me. That evening, she was watching a video. A simple line caught her attention. You don't learn English by studying, you learn it by using it. That line changed something inside her. She thought, maybe I'm learning the wrong way. Next day, Shwetha started again, but this time differently. Step 1. Start small. She didn't try big sentences. She started with simple ones. I am Shwetha. I am learning English. I like reading. Slow, simple, but consistent. Step 2. Speak daily. She made a rule. I will speak English every day. Even if it was wrong, even if it was broken, she spoke to herself, in front of a mirror. Step 3. Learn vocabulary smartly. Earlier, she tried to memorize long word lists. Now she changed her method. She learned 5 words per day, used them in sentences. Example, word, happy. Sentence, I feel happy today. Learning plus using equals remembering. Step 4, listen more. She started listening to English daily. Simple stories, YouTube videos, conversations. At first, she didn't understand everything, but slowly her brain started adapting. Step 5, read aloud. Instead of silent reading, she read loudly. This helped her improve pronunciation, build confidence. Step 6, don't fear mistakes. Earlier, she was afraid of mistakes. Now she told herself, mistakes are my teachers, and everything changed. Days passed, weeks passed. Shwetha practiced daily. Some days were difficult. Some days she felt tired, but she didn't stop. She also started writing small paragraphs, thinking in English, talking with friends in simple English. Slowly, her words came faster, sentences became better, her confidence started growing. One day, her teacher again asked her to speak. This time, Shwetha stood up, took a deep breath, and started speaking. Not perfect, but clear. Not fast, but confident. The class listened, and the teacher smiled. That day, Shwetha realized something powerful. Fluency is not magic. It is daily practice. So what did Shwetha teach us? Hot tip: learn small but daily. Speak even if wrong. Use new words in sentences. Listen plus read plus speak equals full learning. Don't fear mistakes. If Shwetha can do it, hot tip, you can do it. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple English. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after practice. Now ask yourself, will I start today or will I keep waiting? If you are ready to improve, comment, I will speak English. After that day, Shwetha felt motivated, but learning English was still not easy. Some days she forgot words, some days she got confused with grammar. Sometimes she said sentences like, "I am go to school yesterday," and then she stopped. She felt embarrassed again, but this time she didn't quit. She smiled and said, "It's okay, I'm learning." Shwetha created a simple daily routine. Morning, learn 5 new words. Afternoon, read a short English story. Evening, speak in front of a mirror. Night, listen to English audio. She didn't study for long hours, she studied smartly. Earlier, vocabulary was her biggest problem. She tried memorizing big lists, but forgot everything. Now she changed her method. She learned words with meaning plus sentence. Example, word, beautiful. Sentence, this place is beautiful. She also learned synonyms, happy, glad, big, large. And most importantly, she used words daily because, hot tip, words you use are words you remember. One day, her teacher gave her a new idea. Start thinking in English. At first, it felt strange, but Shwetha tried. While walking, she thought, "I am going to school." While eating, "This food is tasty." Slowly, her brain stopped translating and started understanding directly. Weeks passed. Shwetha changed a lot. She was not perfect, but she was confident. She started speaking with friends. At first, they laughed a little, but later they also started learning with her. One day, school announced a small activity. Speak for 1 minute in English. Earlier, Shwetha would be scared, but this time she said, "I will try." She went on stage, took a deep breath, and started speaking. Simple words, simple sentences, but strong confidence. Everyone clapped. That moment, she felt proud of herself. Months later, Shwetha became one of the best English speakers in her class, not because she was the smartest, but because she was consistent. She didn't learn in one day, she improved, little by little, every day. So what is the secret? Hot tip, not talent, not intelligence, it is daily practice. Remember this formula. Hot tip, learn, practice, use, repeat. If you follow this, you will improve your English. So today, make a decision. Don't wait for perfect English. Don't wait for confidence. Start today. Speak today. Practice today. Because one day you will say, "I can speak English confidently." If you believe in yourself, comment, "I will speak English daily." One day, Shwetha went to a small shop. The shopkeeper spoke in English. "What do you want?" For a moment, Shwetha understood the question, but she hesitated to answer. Her mind said, "What if I make a mistake?" Her heart said, "Try." She took a deep breath and said slowly, "I want a notebook." It was not perfect, but it was real, and for the first time she used English in real life. After that day, something changed inside her. She realized, people don't care about my mistakes, they care about communication. So she stopped being afraid. She started speaking everywhere, at shops, with friends, even with herself. Her confidence grew faster than ever. Now, Shwetha moved to the next level. She didn't just learn words, she learned phrases. Example, instead of just happy, "I am feeling happy today." Instead of just tired, "I am a little tired now." Then she learned daily expressions. "What are you doing?" "Let me think." "That's a good idea." These small phrases made her English sound natural. Shwetha improved her listening too. Earlier, she just heard English. Now she listened carefully. She followed this method. Listen once, understand general idea. Listen again, catch words,
repeat sentences out loud. Slowly, she started understanding faster, even normal conversations. One day, she said a wrong sentence in class. Some students laughed. Earlier, she would feel bad, but this time she smiled and said, "Thank you, I will correct it." That moment, she became stronger than before, because now mistakes were not weaknesses, they were her teachers. Soon, other students started asking her, "Shwetha, how did you improve?" She shared her simple rules: speak daily, don't fear mistakes, learn small words, use them in sentences, practice again and again. Now she was not just a learner, she became a teacher. And one day she sat quietly and thought, English is not a subject.
It is a skill. And skills don't come from reading. They come from practice. That realization changed her forever. So what is the final truth? You don't need perfect grammar to start. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need confidence. You just need to start. Start speaking. Start learning. Start trying. Because fluency is built, not born. Today, Shwetha stands confidently, speaks clearly, and smiles proudly. But she remembers one thing. She was once afraid, just like you. So if you're listening right now, this message is for you. You can learn English. You can speak confidently. You can change your life. If you're ready to start, comment, "I will speak English from today." Like, share, subscribe. Let's learn English together through stories. See you in the next video.